Have you ever felt that peace when your hands touch the soil or when a tiny leaf unfolds? Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's therapy for the soul. In today's video, let's explore 10 super benefits of gardening, how it heals your mind, body, and spirit, one plant at a time. Gardening originated not as a leisure activity but as a crucial development for survival. Around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, in the Fertile Crescent, now modern Middle East, humans began to deliberate cultivation and domestication of wild grains like wheat and barley, making the shift from nomadic foraging to settled farming. The gardens were simply plots for growing food. Egyptians pioneered advanced irrigation techniques and established the first ornamental gardens for pleasure and ceremony, often surrounded by walls and featuring symmetrical rows of trees and lotus ponds. Gardens were linked to the gods and the afterlife. The legendary hanging gardens of Babylon exemplify the engineering powers used to create massive pleasure gardens in arid climates. The focus here was on grandeur, power, and architecture. Romans integrated gardening into daily life, building elaborate villa gardens with fountains and mosaics and introducing topiary, the art of saving plants. Utility, kitchen gardens, and aesthetics, pleasure gardens became equally important. A distinct philosophy emerged focused on balance, harmony, and symbolism, influenced by Taoism. Japanese gardening designed a serene landscape that combined rocks, water, plants, and architectures to mimic nature. Monks and rishis in India cultivated medicinal herbs. Later, the cottage garden emerged in Europe. Technological advancements led to the popularization of conservation and greenhouses, allowing for the cultivation of exotic plants collected from around the world. Rise of public parks and botanical gardens to the suburban lawns emphasis shifted to environmentalism, sustainability, and community. Trends today focus on organic gardening, native plants, supporting pollinators, and using gardening for health. Research on older adults showed that even a short 10-minute indoor horticulture activity like watering plants was associated with significant reductions in systolic and diastolic blood pressure and reduced anxiety compared to playing a computer game. A recent systematic review and meta-analysis found horticultural therapy to be effective in improving positive, negative, and affective symptoms in individuals with schizophrenia over both the short and long term. Studies also shown that even a low to moderate intensity gardening session can significantly increase the levels of certain brain nerve growth factors such as brain derived neurotrophic factors (BDNF). These factors are crucial for brain health, neuroplasticity, memory, and cognitive function. Gardening improves thinking skills in later life. Here are 10 super benefits of gardening. Number 1. Gardening reduces stress naturally. Spending time with plants lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and calms the mind. Number 2. Gardening boosts mood and happiness. Gardening increases serotonin levels, making you feel peaceful, grounded, and joyful. Exposure to the healthy microbes in soil reduces anxiety and may even boost the immune system. Number 3. Gardening is a great physical exercise. Digging, planting, and watering burn out calories and keep your body active. Number 4. Gardening improves focus and memory. Being around greenery improves concentration and memory by engaging your senses. One notable Australian study found that daily gardening lowered the risks of dementia by 36%. Number 5. Gardening provides fresh organic produce. Homegrown fruits, herbs, and vegetables are healthier and chemical free. Growing your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs encourages a healthier diet. Number 6. Gardening enhances creativity. Designing plants arrangements and nurturing blooms sparks artistic expression. Number 7. Gardening helps the environment. Gardening purifies air, attracts pollinators, and supports biodiversity. Number 8. Gardening strengthens emotional well-being. Caring for plants builds empathy, patience, and emotional balance. Number 9. Gardening builds community connection. Sharing plants, tips, or garden harvests fosters friendship and local bonding. Number 10. Gardening beautifies your space. A garden, big or small, transforms your home into a refreshing sanctuary. And now the bonus one. Gardening increases self-esteem and accomplishment. Nurturing plants from seed to maturity and seeing the tangible results of your labor can be inaudibly rewarding, fostering a sense of accomplishment and self-confidence. Gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing peace, patience, and happiness within yourself. If you felt inspired by these simple yet powerful benefits, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your nature-loving friends, and subscribe to Soft Lines of Life for more plant-inspired living and soulful lifestyle ideas. Let's keep growing together, one leaf, one moment at a time. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.